a lot of people having back pain nowadays. My experience says that 1 out of 3 people I meet have backache problem. Why? Of course, yoga can help them reverse this problem even if they are in the slip disc kind of stage, and if doctors have advised the surgery, we have been successfully curing them without surgery with yoga only. But in this video we will talk about the precautions, the postural training which one needs to avoid back pain. If you practice this in your daily life, you will hardly have to face any back pain in your lifetime. See how we sit in the office. Usually we sit like this, we are talking on mobile or maybe ruling, and we also see that the wheelchair has a big cause to back problem because it keeps moving and it does not allow your back to relax, to work properly. So better to avoid wheelchair or have a fixed chair if you can. Do not mind your status and always mind your back, and sit while this lower portion of your back should be in touch with this portion of the chair. You see this portion here, we have a bulging foam and here it is in. The same where your back is out here and here it is in. So that will support this, that is how it can support it. So if most of the time you should sit in contact with this portion, upper portion may be little bit touch, maybe straight, no problem, but this is most important because we have pains in lower back most of the times. Then most of the people sit like this, again it is straining here also, and it is the entire weight is coming on one leg. So in long term it may cause sciatic pain. It starts from the lower back and goes down to the knees and even to the lower leg also. So sciatic is also a problem which can be taken care of by postural training, postural carefulness. Then so most of the time we should sit on both foot. People usually sit like this and they work like this, then they long term they have this shoulder blades or pain in shoulder region, that is also reason. And most of the time we are sitting on a computer or maybe watching a television. So most of the time when it is a laptop or computer, our neck is also down because we do not mind the level of the laptop. It should also be on a equal level that of the eyes, so that our neck is also not, neck is also to be on the full length, so that there should be no cervical pain and no thyroid problem in long term. All these indisciplines, incorrect postures causes problem in long term only. 1 month, 2 month, 1 year, 2 year, not a problem. When we do this wrong practice continuously for years together, then it causes a problem. Then we used to bend from the back most of the time, whereas we have other joints to assist the bending. When suppose we are supposed to pick up something from the ground, so we should rather bend like this and pick it and stand up, that is not a problem, and avoid using this. It is unnecessary straining the back, and in long term it may cause the extraordinary gapping in between two vertebrae and finally results into a back pain, permanent kind of. So these are few precautions if we take in our regular daily life, we can avoid back problem, cervical, shoulder pains or shoulder blade pains, or in between that region anywhere. This is the most important thing. Even while walking also we do not mind our shoulders. We walk like this, we should be walking like this, shoulders little bit backside, chest little bit straight upward and stomach in, and finally we should mind our belly health. If it is too big, the weight in this area will continue to strain this region and it may also cause back problem in long term. That is all about it in the beginning. More we can see in other videos.